Let's learn how to calculate the exact age from the given date and date of birth. Start first with the day. Subtract 31 by 16. This is minus 15. But date can never be negative. In that case, borrow the dates from the month. Consider today's date. Subtract 1 from the month and add the corresponding number of days here. But how many days should we add here? Should it come from March? No, because the month has not ended yet. So we'll take dates from the previous month, that means from February. Now, February can have 28 or 29 days based on the year. So, the year 2024 is divisible by 4, so this makes it a leap year. That means February will have 29 days. The new date will be 45 to 2024. Put this date here. Now 45 minus 31, 14. If you subtract 10 from 2, this is minus 8. Again, the month cannot be negative. In this case, borrow the months from the year. Again, look at the date. Subtract 1 from year and add 12 months. Again, change the date. 14 minus 10, 4. And 2023 minus 1996, 27. So the exact age is 27 year, 4 month and 14 days.